Hello folks, this is Marco Harold with One Arm Pooh Bear Baits. I'm just going to do a video on how I put hooks on. Believe me, it's a process on what I have to do it because of the disability. Anyway, I got my vise. It's a padded vise. I got magnetic pads in here. I got several sets of hemostats. It's holding the split rings, holding the hooks, and I got a magnetic pad here for the split rings so I can get them. It's pretty straightforward process. You know, I'm gonna try to do it without sticking myself again. I do bleed when I do this sometimes. Just nature of the beast. When you're dealing with razor sharp hooks, it'll get you. Anyway, to start off, I put my bait. One of these baits. This is a big bait. It's upside down in the vise, of course, front, back, blah blah blah. Now, the way I do it is I take a hemostats, and this is a big snap ring number or a split ring number 5, and I just clip it so I can push it down like that, and I get it down. I turn it, go sideways, come up, and that holds it. Now these hemostats goes off. I got a sharp pair here that goes on. All right, now I got my hooks in hemostats, and I do that because the hemostats let me work with the hook without getting stuck, but it'll give me weight too. So when I put this hook on, come on. So when I put this hook on, I turn it to the right, let it hang there, and I'll twist this down. I grab it again, twist down. Grab it again and twist down. And then it's on. There it is. And I'll grab another hook, put it in my hemostat, set it off to the side, and I'll take my fat. This is a dull pair or a flat pair, and I'll go ahead and grab me another ring for the next bait. All right, for the next one, I can't use that. I got to use a split ring pliers that you can't see it. I mean, it'd be hard to see, but you can see I ground them flush. See that? And the reason of it is it's hard for me to do this stuff anyway. Grind it flush so I can get that ring. Because if I don't grind it flush, I can't grab that ring. Of course, I grabbed it too far forward. Hold on. There you go. Grab it. Dang it. You got to get a death grip on these things. Come up. All right, then I can turn it sideways. Then grab my pliers and just turn it around a little bit. Okay, now I put my sharp ones on. Same process, grab a hook. Let's see, when they do that, it's hard because trust me, it's not easy being one-handed doing this crap. But you know what? I got a bunch of them done already. Just these big hooks. This is bigger than I like to work with. Come on. This ain't working out real well. Sometimes if they get to that area, you gotta grab a hook. I'll tell you. There, it's almost got it. This is why I use the hemostats. It gives it weight so it don't come up on there. And sometimes you got to get rid of that and grab one of these. There it goes. Just like that. You got to be careful with them hooks on them hemostats. They'll get you. Trust me, as a raggedist to it. Anyway, it's a process I have to do. It really, once I get in the, once I get doing the battle, it's not bad. I mean, some baits are harder than others as far as once you get in that routine. It's a process. Everything I do has got a process to it. Because that's just the way you got to do things, being handicapped, so to speak. All right, we'll do it again. Look and see where that split ring is. And you can't do it like this on the back because it just ain't sturdy enough in the vise. Well, that's making me look stupid. But it is what it is. Turn it up. Get rid of the flat nose. Get this skinny. Grab it about right there. Put it in. Hook. These are bigger because these are 1/0 hooks. So it's a little bit more difficult to deal with getting that hook in there. But once you get them, it's not too bad. Turn it. Go down one more time. And we'll get rid of that. This is much easier to deal with. And see, that hemostat's heavy enough where it just hold that hook in place and don't spin with me. That's it on that one. On that one. All right. Now I like the hook of the split ring pliers. I like the hook to be on the outside. All right. Right place. I can then turn it, and I can then turn it back. All right. Get my sharp hemostats. There it is. It's a difficult process. Not, once you get the hang of it, once you're doing, several baits, obviously, This is kind of the first thing in the morning. It's not bad. It's just the way I got to do things being handicapped. You know, I'm handicapped. I'm not dead. Anyway, that's how I do things. And this vise is setting against this lock, so it can't push forward. This drawer is setting against this, so you know, I got plenty of sturdy work area. When I said in another video, this is my work surface, this is what I meant. I also put eyes on my baits on this drawer. I put my bait under that foam right there, put a weight on it, and I can go ahead and put my glue in and grab my eyes and put my eyes on. You know, this holds it down. The weight holds the bait down against this clipboard, so I can actually, you know, won't move around. Can do it. Well, that's it, folks. I'm glad you're watching, and y'all have a good day. Bye.